Hi guys, it's Valerie. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I am going to be doing a rose gold look. Excuse the ears. I'm having these on because I'm trying to have my face away whenever I do the makeup for you guys. Excuse this scratch over here. My cat scratched me. But anyways, let's just get started. So for today, the moisturizer I'm going to be using today is Glam Glow, right there. This one for the birthday edition. And yeah, I had a great birthday. I went out, we went to the beach. It was very fun. So happy 20th to me. I'm gonna start off with this moisturizer. I've tried it before. It's very nice. It's so creamy, but it's like so glowy. Like it literally is glowy. Like you're shining. Like it's. At the first time that I put this on, I didn't actually think that there was gonna be shimmer in these. This is a lot just for a sampler. Like I believe this is a lot. I don't know. Do you think this is a good size for just a sample? Just going to get with my fingers, rub it in. It becomes so soft. It's just like you literally end up glowing. If you guys haven't seen my previous video, I personally like to do my brows first and then my foundation. That's just how I personally do it. Other people are different with how they want to do their routine. So I'm going to be doing my brows first. Just gonna go in again with my Dipbrow Pomade Medium Brown on the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Do my brows and I'll be right back. So now that the brows are done, and by the way, I kind of changed the level of the camera. Finish my brows. I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow primer potion. It's the exact same one that I always use. To apply. That is covered. I am going to go in with my Too Faced Chocolate Gold Palette. Dough. Okay. Just all over my lid. You know what I just realized? I forgot to put some primer on my face. I'm gonna go in with my Primed and Peachy primer. I got it as a birthday gift for my cousin, so thank you, cousin, if you're watching. With my Chocolate Gold Palette again, and I'm gonna go in So Bougie, which is this color right here. Change the location of my camera because the lighting was not working cooperatively, so I decided to put it here because the lighting is the most efficient over here. So continuing with the tutorial, begin my transitioning color to build up my crease. Or to build up the colors, or to shape up my eye to see exactly where I'm going to be placing the color. Going in with my Morphe 3502 palette. So I have gushers. I love gushers. I'm going to go in with this color right here. I don't have the layout with the names of the colors, so I'm just going to be pointing it out. Basically put it right on my crease. Don't be afraid to have it on the lid. Put it on the lid, let alone. It's all good. Now I'm going to go in with this peach reddish color right here. So I'm just applying that right there into the inner corners as well. Don't worry about the blending because I know, guys, this is horrendous. Trust me, I know. Right now, this is not the look that we're trying to go for. We'll will definitely get the blending in handy. But if you're satisfied with the color, or if you like the way it looks, then you can go and blend in. What about blending though is that the second you start blending, the color could fade just because of how much you're blending. So that's when you have to keep going back and forth to get the color that you want to be there, but you have to blend it at the same time. So the color that you're satisfied with, have how much there is left in that color, you're satisfied with it, and you don't have to keep blending back and forth. So now that I'm satisfied with the color, I'm not gonna leave it like this. That'll give me a heart attack. My Morphe M504 brush. It's a big fluffy brush. I absolutely love this brush. And it's gonna be a clean brush, and this is always clean. I always keep this clean because sometimes I forget what color if I'm using this, because sometimes I do use this brush for light colors only. If I get this bright red and I put it on straight up right now, it's gonna look a nightmare. So personally, I like it to keep it clean and in circular motions. I blend this all out for the harsh edges. So now that I'm satisfied with how the blending looks and all that jazz, I am going to get my favorite part of this step. I'm going to get my Stila in Rose Gold Retro, which is right there. It's not gonna focus, but it's Stila. I'm going to put this on the center of my lid. So I'm going just to let this dry a little bit, and with this oval brush I'm going to blend out the harsh lines. Morphe E18 brush, and I'm just going to get the colors that I use for my crease and carefully just dab onto the color right there to blend it out so there's no harsh lines. Drugstore lashes. They're very natural looking. There's mascara already on this because I used it yesterday, but these are very, very good lashes. I actually really like them. So now that lash is on, I am going to go in with my other eye and do my face, get it all done, and I'll be right back. This is the completed look, guys. A rose gold. Oh, my hair. A completed look, you guys. A rose gold look. I really had fun filming this. I really enjoy this look. It's very pretty, and I personally love rose gold things. I'm a sucker for that, or even pink, as you can tell with my brushes. Pink. So I really like this look. I hope I helped you guys out by you learning how to do this, and if you guys want to do it on your own, I really hope I helped you guys into doing this look. And if you guys watched it all the way, I really, really appreciate it. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, comment. I would really appreciate your guys' support once again, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!